1 second, and your tires will turn into flaps. Don't you believe it? We are destroying the main myth. New tires. You could drive fast. I'll show you why your tires tear like paper at high speed and how to avoid it. Here are 3 killers who are tearing up your rubber. 1. Centrifugal force. It tends to rupture the tire from the inside, as if it stretches a tight spring. 2. Temperature. When driving fast, the rubber deforms with frenzied frequency. Internal friction plus asphalt friction equals the temperature inside, can jump up to 120 to 150 degrees Celsius. 3. Shock loads. The slightest bump, pebble, or joint on a bridge at this speed is not just a jolt. This is an instantaneous extreme deformation. But these are just the reasons why tires tear at high speed. The real enemies of your tire are completely different. Age is the #1 enemy. Even a new, never-used tire, which is 7 to 8 years old, is a time bomb. Rubber becomes tanned, loses elasticity, and chemical bonds break. Look for the DOT marking with the data manufacturer. Enemy #2 is invisible damage. You hit the curb and fell into a hole last week. There's a small dent on the outside. There are torn cord threads inside. At speed, the weak spot can't stand it. Enemy #3 is pressure. Underpumped? The tire overheats many times faster due to excessive bending of the sidewall. Pumped it? The contact spot decreases, the load on the tread center increases, and shock loads penetrate through. Enemy #4 is overloading. I filled the trunk to capacity. 5 people in the cabin. Exceeded. She's working hard, warming up and waiting in the wings. It doesn't break without warning. We just don't notice. Vibration on the steering wheel at certain speeds is not just a collapse convergence. This may be a broken geometry of the frame, the beginning of stratification. Local overheating. Stop after a fast ride. Carefully touch different sections of the tread of the same tire. If one area is noticeably hotter, there's trouble. Unnatural softness. If the car starts to float on a turn or lane, as if on cotton wheels, this is an extremely dangerous symptom.